One day occurred to me to use this chart. And I started scanning my clients before they came. I talked to them, we had the energy connection, I knew the name, and I started scanning and asked, what of Johnny's chakras needs help the most? I'm going to do a distance scanning. The only thing we have to do is to mentally say the name of the person and ask the question for every chakra. So I will mentally say the name of a person. Always the question is, what chakra of this person needs help the most? And I will start right now. I usually put the pendulum between the second and third chakras, so I know that the pendulum has to swing on one direction or another, because if it swings to the front, that's not working well. My first question is going to be, what chakra of this person needs help the most? The pendulum swings towards the second chakra, and now I am asking if there is any entity. Is there any entity in the second chakra? The answer is yes. Is there any evil entity on the second chakra of this person? Yes. How many evil entities in the second chakra of this person? Three. I use the chakras as numbers, 1 through 7. So this person has 3 evil entities on the second chakra. What is the next chakra that this person needs help with? It's the heart. And I move my hand to make sure that it's a heart when the angle is too sharp. Is there any entity on the heart chakra of this person? Yes. Is there any evil entity on the heart chakra of this person? Yes. How many evil entities in the heart of this person? Two. What is the next chakra that this person needs help with? The solar plexus. And I move my hand parallel to the line of the chakras to make sure that where the pendulum is pointing to. The pendulum is attracted with a magnet to that position. Is there any entity on the solar plexus of this person? Is there any evil entity on the solar plexus of this person? How many evil entities in the solar plexus of this person? Two evil entities. So we have 3 evil entities on the second chakra, 3 on the heart, 2 in the solar plexus, and we have to be focused. If we are wandering, our mind is wandering, we are not going to get the right answer. What is the next chakra that this person needs help with? Over the years, I kept a log and I put the name of the person and I put in the order that I find. In the first chakra, I find 1 evil entity. On the fourth, just an energy blockage. On the second, 1 evil entity. On the third, 2. So I keep a track of my clients when they come the first time, the second time, and the third time. That will be very useful for you because you will see if the client comes and they have the same energy blockages or entities. After 2, 3, 4 sessions, there is something that is bringing these energy blockages or entities back. When we use the paper, the energy is omnipresent, is anywhere. So the paper is just a gadget to tell us the information that we are looking for, the result of our scanning. In reality, who does the scanning is our soul. The soul connects with the soul of the other person and sees where are the energy blockages and the entities. If you're a Reiki practitioner, please put your comments. I would love to know what you think. And if you have any question, please let me know.